Hi everybody, this is Tim. We're looking at the Fathom document of the NHANES data where I'm going to demonstrate how Fathom does filtering and illustrate some of the things we were just talking about in the phone call. Okay, so here is the Fathom version of that same document that we saw on the Tuva tool. We have age and height, and I have a legend attribute for sex. So you can see the males, the blue squares, are in general taller than the females, which are the gray circles. Suppose I just wanted to look at people over age 20. So in Fathom, what I would typically do is I'll duplicate this graph so we can see them both. And I'm going to select this graph. Clover F is add filter. So I will do that. I'll say add filter. And the formula box appears, and I type in age is greater than 20, and I click apply, and sure enough, I have only the people whose age is greater than 20. If I wanted to see only the females, I could, let's once again duplicate this graph in order so we can see them all. And down here, here's the filter, age is greater than 20. If I double click it, I can now edit this filter, and I can say sex equals female. And now I have only the females. I could have said sex equals female and age is greater than 20, but this sort of illustrates the three different renditions of this graph. All right, if I want to look at this and rescale the axes, I can just choose scatter plot again, and now I see these, and I can go like that and see, oh, these are the heights of people age greater than 20. Let's look at selection now. In Fathom, you can do selection with the legend. So if I want to select all the females, now all the females turn red, and they turn red in all the graphs. If I wanted to do something else, for example, selecting only the people age 20 or greater, I could do that. Or I could take yet another graph and look at a graph just of the ages and select only those that are 20 and greater using a marquee selection. We probably got 19 there. But anyway, so you see how that selects cases in all of the different graphs. We could imagine going to a filter item now and saying exclude selected cases or include only selected cases and getting an appropriate result. The other type of thing I was alluding to earlier was if you had, for example, a separate graph with only marital status on it. If I wanted to see only the widowed people, I could select that, and now only the red cases are selected, and they are widowed, or the never married people who in NHANES cannot be younger than 16, so for example. Okay? So that gives you a little picture of what I was talking about, and you will have received the Fathom document separately.